Hello everyone, thank you for returning to the Tumamoto channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about motorcycles. Their unique selling point was previously what made the KTM 690 smcr and 690 Enduro R so popular. A single-cylinder engine with 75 HP, Euro 5 compliant and road legal, mind you. In Germany, the Supermoto 690 smcr is always in the top 20, sometimes even in the top 10 of new motorbike registrations. To maintain the top engine level, KTM may have to invest again in development work. The next European motorcycle emissions standard, Euro 5 Plus, will come into force in 2024-2025. There was also the threat of new and powerful single-cylinder competition from Ducati. If you look closely at the Erlkönig photo, you can see some changes to the machine, at least externally. LC4, which at KTM traditionally stands for liquid-cooled, is water-cooled and is for 4 strokes and for 4 valves. The outstanding important data of the current stage of evolution are 693 cubic meters, maximum power of 75 HP, 55 kilodolars at 7,500 RPM, and 73.5 Nm at 5,600 RPM. It is common practice, not only at KTM, to increase displacement to maintain or even further improve performance despite stricter emission standards. Since a single LC4 already has almost 700 cubic meters, it is reasonable to assume that it will soon have more than 700 cubic meters. So far, the cylinder bore includes a forged piston measuring 105 millimeters with a stroke of 80 millimeters. With a 106 millimeter bore and unchanged stroke, this would yield 706 cubic meters. With a bore of 107, that would be 709 cubic meters, and therefore at least the previous nominal output was 75 HP, perhaps even a few HP more. No significant changes are visible in the cylinder head area in the Erlkönig photo. So it can be assumed that the tried and tested valve train will remain, with overhead camshaft, OHC, and 4 valves. Rocker arms for the intake valves, rocker arms for the exhaust valves, and the additional balance shaft in the head will probably stay that way. The same applies to dual ignitions with smaller secondary spark plugs and relatively long check intervals, 10,000 kilometers. Additionally, upside-down telescopic forks and shock absorbers, each fully adjustable, from KTM's related brand WP suspension appear to be used as well. And the brake components are from Brembo, at the front with 4-piston monoblock calipers on single 320 discs. The smcr and Enduro R are modernly equipped with optimized and tilt-angle adjustable assistance systems, ABS and slip control, as well as an anti-hopping clutch and quick shifter. However, what made this model expensive was its high-performance single-cylinder, which was very difficult to develop and produce. The 690 smcr and 690 Enduro are priced at 11,999 euros in 2023. That is a very impressive price for a motorbike that has only one cylinder. Both appeared on KTM's homepage as 2024 models in October 2023, but still without pricing, and apparently technically unchanged. Therefore, the new LC4 model is only expected as a new model in 2025. Therefore, KTM will likely update or upgrade closely related models from the Husqvarna and GasGas sublabels with a new single-cylinder generation,